Hey guys, Beardicus the One Take Wonder here. In this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing the TerraMaster F2-210. Now I believe that's right. Yep, F2-210. It's a 2-bay NAS and it is basically, what they're claiming to be one of the cheapest 2-bay NASs out there. And when they say cheapest, it's under $200 for this 2-bay NAS. So let's unbox it and see what is actually inside and what you get. That's a little bit better. You can still see my face. All right, so you got a box of goodies here. Let's put that to the side for the moment. We'll grab the main event out, throw the box behind me. So you got some styrofoam there. Throw that in the box. And then, have a look here. Oh. There we go. So that's the unit itself there, 2 bays. It's got a nice little fan on the back there. It's protruded from the actual unit itself. It's got your DC 12 volt in with a gigabit LAN and 2 USB 3 ports. Very nice. Yeah. It's pretty solid. The bezels are plastic by the feel of them. The actual unit itself, though, is metal. So, yeah, that's nice. That's the TerraMaster there. Let's have a look at what, excuse me, comes in the box of goodies. So, you've got your AC adapter there. Very nice. It's the standard 2-prong, which is good. You get a screwdriver. Little bag of screws, another little bag of screws, a Ethernet cable, and then you've got, oh, this is nice. You got a couple of little labels there for the actual drive bays itself to keep track of what's on what drive. All right, if you're, not doing it as a full volume, but if you're doing them as separate drives. JBOD, just a bunch of discs. So you got the warranty information there and also a quick start guide, I believe. Yeah, so start.terra-master.com to get started once you've hooked that up to the network. All right, so that was what was in the box. I'll pack it all back in there. So this was sent out for a review from a media company. So I will be reviewing the TerraMaster F2-210 on the main channel. I think one of the main sell points is that it is a really, really cheap NAS, especially for under US $200. It's got your 2 USB ports, USB 3 ports, sorry, on the back, the gigabit LAN, and I believe it can also do 4K transcoding. So it'll be good to put it through the paces, check it out and see what it can actually do. Cool. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. It's something that I'm trying to do more on this channel, just to, non-scripted, just get the content out there, see what people think of it. It's either going to sink or swim. And most of you don't get this far anyway in the video, so I'm just rambling right now. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see the full review, make sure you subscribe to the TechWizTime channel. There'll be a link down in the description below. And if you enjoy these quick unboxings and just, quick glimpses at different things, I'm going to have more stuff like this on this channel here, the Beardicus channel. So, make sure you subscribe. All right, thanks, guys.